Hey Shane, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happen to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot a short video for you all going over 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks, and the first one being content. And so content applies to all of what is written on your website here, but it also includes any photos that you might have on your site. And the reason that it includes the photos that you have is because Google has the capability of seeing what's behind these photos. And all that means is, what were they saved as before they were uploaded? Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, as well as seeing what keywords are on your site to make sure that they are connecting you to the correct people that are searching in the Google search bar. And so a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And one example of a keyword is paving companies in Santa Maria. And so this is a keyword. So anything that's being typed into this Google search bar is what we call keywords. And whenever your future customers are searching for this, the first thing that populates are ads. And so ads can be a great tool whenever used properly to increase your business. But if we scroll down here, this is what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And it's important that you are ranking here. I see that you are, because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40% of business. And so the reason that you're ranking is because you have a Google business profile and because you are outdoing your competitors with citations. And all a citation is, it's your business name, the address, and the phone number exactly as it is on your profile in your local directories. And so you want to keep that up, you want to keep getting those 5-star reviews, and just make sure everything is filled out as completely as possible on this profile here. And then you'll keep getting that share of that 30 to 40% of business. And so something that you'd want to do is you'd want to make sure that you are ranking in this section for all of the keywords that apply to you. And if we scroll down, this is the start of the organic listing. And the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And I see that you are ranking here, which is good because the top 3 spots get the majority of that 60 to 70% of business here. And so you'd want to make sure that you are ranking up as high as possible in this section as well for all of the keywords that you want to be ranking for. Over 90% of people stay on this homepage here. So it's great that you guys are ranking for this keyword. Something that we can do is we can plug in your website into a tool called Ahrefs. And we can take a look at the back end of all of your website's rating. So the UR and the DR are ratings pulled from Google data. You have 18 and 7. What's making up your ratings here are the 159 backlinks that you have. These backlinks are coming from 57 referring domains. And all a backlink is, it's one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. Google tends to be kind of like a popularity contest. And so high quality backlinks will boost the UR and the DR, and spammy ones will bring these numbers down. And so it's important that your UR and DR are higher than your competitors. This is the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. And so when your UR and DR are higher than your competitors, you'll be boosted to the top of that Google search result. So we want to go through all of the keywords and make sure that you are higher than your competitors on each keyword that you want to rank for. And then what goes hand in hand with the UR and DR are keywords. You have 351 keywords on your site. And it's important to make sure that you have good buyer intent keywords on your site so that you are being boosted to the top of the Google search result for what you would actually want to be found for. And so the reason that I recommend buyer intent is that way you're getting those quality and qualified leads landing on your site which would in turn convert into customers. And right now you all have 105 website traffic going to your site every single month. And so something that's cool is that we can plug in every single competitor that you have into the same tool, and we can take a look at all of their ratings, every single backlink that they have, every single referring domain that they have, all the keywords that they're ranking for, and then we can go in and we can duplicate what they have that's high quality, that's working for them. So we can take a look at the high quality backlinks. We can link those to your site as well. And we can see any keywords that you may be missing. And then we could do a separate search as well to find any keywords that apply to you. And so with those things combined, you can be ranking for every single keyword that applies to you. And then the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be converting into your customers there. And so if we take a quick look at the keywords that you currently have here, chip seal contractors near me, Ramsey Asphalt, Ramsey Construction, Paving Santa Barbara, chip and seal contractors near me, Asphalt Construction, Construction Employee Handbook, Petromat, how long does chip seal last? Some of these are definitely buyer intent, which is really good. And then we can see down here, it looks like maybe some blog posts are being ranked. Tilly's Santa Maria, Employee Handbook, Riverbank Santa Rosa, chip seal driveway. And so it'd be good just to make sure that all of the buyer intent keywords are on your site and that you're not ranking for Staples, Home Depot, things like that. And so you guys are doing a great job in your areas currently. And so the next step would be making sure that all the keywords in those areas are ranking, and then if you're wanting to expand, that you're ranking in those new areas as well. And I hope that this short video was valuable for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thanks.